Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check all the places you've been to in BeanApp. To do it, simply go to My Countries, for example, if you want to check countries, and you'll find Been, Lived and Wish, of course. Now you'll find it is sorted by continents. You can see there's Oceania, North America and Europe. And you can click on any of those countries to actually see when it has been visited. So click on it, then you'll also, for United States, it is free to select which regions have you visited. For all the other countries, it is paid. You just need to get the premium version of the app for like a few dollars. But for United States, you'll see regions here. And yeah, you can add those. There's, by the way, a video on it on our channel. And you'll find the states visited, the percentage, the amount of states. Also, it's not just states because there's 50 states, but also islands, districts and stuff like that. In timeline, you'll see when. Also, when it's marked as green, it means you've lived there, not only been there, but also lived. And yeah, this is how it looks. Also, like if you're on the screen of a country, you can scroll down and you'll find different data about it, like the population, the official websites extensions, the currency yearly statistics, and there's quite a lot of them. As you can see, the GDP, I think there should be GDP. Yeah, there's GDP growth and labor force and stuff like that. Now let's go to the timeline, and in timeline you can see that I have visited it twice, and these are the times that I have visited it in. And I think that will be about it. Of course, if you have the premium version, you'll also see cities and airports if you've added cities and airports. And now let's go back. You can go to any other country here, see when it has been visited, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.